Hey YouTube, just doing my review of the 2018 Panini box. 8 packs per box. So it says you get one memorabilia card inside, so we'll see what that is. Okay. Okay, so there's what you get right there. We'll get right into it. Here we go. I do like the way these cards are laid out. Kind of look kind of cool. A cool card. And Brown, Carlos Hyde. That was a good card. Carson Wentz. Highlight reel. Terrell Suggs. Definitely going to be a Hall of Famer. Gronk. I always love to see him. There he fits. Definitely be a Hall of Famer. Excuse me. Caffrey. Cool card. It's a nice Big Ben franchise leader card. Couple Hall of Famers here. Big Ben and Aaron Rodgers. Nothing there. Eli. Breeze, cool card. Definitely Hall of Famer there. And 2 more Gronk and McCaffrey cards. Nothing. Still looking for that memorabilia card talked about. And we found it. There it is. How about that? Speak of the devil. So, let you all be as surprised as I am here with it. So Wilson, Devontae Cook, Darius Slay, Deion Lewis, and then don't know who that guy is. Oh wow, that's a card right there. That's a find. That is a Knights of the Round Table, as you can see. It's Mr. Saquon Barkley, number 2 draft pick. So that'll do. Happy about that guy. It looks to be in really good condition, so it's a good hit right there. It's a very good hit. How about that? No, we're still looking for it, and then boom, there it was. Pretty cool. And you all were as surprised as I was. Mason Crosby, oh my goodness, this guy last Sunday missed 4 field goals and an extra point. First time that's ever happened. Probably will be looking for a job, that I will guess. So, not going to keep that guy, at least in my cards of interest. Couple good guys, Cooper Kupp in there and whatnot. Might end up being something at some point. We'll see. Last one. Happy about that Barkley hit. That's solid. That's a very solid hit. Like I said, with these cards, I mean, it's not necessarily about making your money or making a profit. You're doing it just for the love of the game and the love of collecting, but when you get a hit like that, that just adds to the enjoyment as far as I'm concerned. And Patrick Mahomes, this guy's just been tearing it up. He's been killing it if I keep him out. That's a pretty cool Tyreek Hill card. All right, there you go. So we got that one good Saquon hit and a few Hall of Famers, a few cards of interest. So that does it for the box. It's the 2018 football. And more to come. Thank you. Bye.